she probably old fashioned. She probably don't even think that she, need to be talking to them like that. But yeah, that was a good one. Okay. And then not only that, your kids are spread around. They're everywhere. You got two, no, you got three that's with their daddy. You got one that's with their other father. You got three that's with their grandma and their grandfather. You got two that's in two different places. They everywhere, and you want to be pregnant again? I don't even see how a woman could give birth to a baby, come home, go through postpartum, right? A milk being in their breast and everything, and you can't feed your baby. You got to go to somebody else's house to feed your child that you just had. I wouldn't even feel right. I'm sorry. That would hurt me to my heart knowing I had to leave the hospital without my baby after I carried that baby for 9 months. And you talking about having another one? I just wonder how your man really look at you, keep having babies every time y'all have sex. Cause I swear it seems like every time y'all have sex you get pregnant. If I was a man, I wouldn't even. You doing this making babies. That would be a turn off for me. I couldn't do it. We'll have to get some birth control, okay? Even though you say you can't get your tubes out, girl, we need some condoms or something. Now that's crazy. Pretty soon your body gonna be so broken down and you ain't gonna be able to stand up straight.
Why stand up straight?
Exactly that. But make it right. She talk about everybody else, but watch. Pretty soon she ain't gonna be able to stand up straight. She gonna be able to walk, girl. Back to back to back to back, and you be giving your body time to heal. That is crazy. But you know what? You know what, y'all? And first of all, don't nobody want to hear that lie because you said you didn't care if your family burned in a house fire. That's one. When your son did get burned, you got like you didn't care. Okay? Matter of fact, when your son got burned, that's when you was going around saying that, oh, I don't even want them to come back here. Oh, I'm scared that me or my husband might end up in jail. That's what happened. Okay? Now you care. But I did want to say this, y'all. She's talking about all this stuff in court and how the judge will make this decision and how everybody not on the same accord. But Mirrors, this is all your fault. Right? She did say that about that baby. Yeah, she told her son he was being punished by God when he got burnt. Ain't that something to tell your child, your 8-year-old child, that he was being punished by God? But guess what? It wouldn't be no court hearings, no custody cases, or none of that stuff, Chris, if you had done your part as being a mother and your kids would have been still home. Okay? It wouldn't be none of this stuff going on if they was not taken out of the house. But she's never gonna say, "Oh, I take accountability for that." Imagine what she's going to tell Junior Raphael. Girl, a bunch of lies like she told Thomas. She told Thomas